Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Gate.io, one of the most talked about crypto exchanges in 2025. With over 3,700 altcoins available, it promises to be a crypto trader's paradise. But is it really safe or just a digital danger zone? Let's find out. Before we start, quick disclaimer, all the information here is based on research and public reviews. This is not financial advice, so just an honest take to help you make smarter decisions online. According to its official website, Gate.io offers a global platform to buy, sell, and trade thousands of cryptocurrencies Bitcoin, Ethereum, NFTs, futures, and more. It's pitched as a full featured ecosystem for both beginners and pro traders. But when you check real user experiences, things get complicated. On Trustpilot, Gate.io has a poor reputation. 73% of the reviewers are one-star ratings. One alarming story, a user claims they lost over $15,000 due to a pricing index error that the exchange admitted, then backtracked on. They allegedly deleted refund-related posts and left the user hanging. Other complaints including missing funds, poor customer support, and a lack of transparency when it matters most. Now, if we rewind to Reddit trends from a few years ago, the vibe was very different. Some users had positive experiences, noting that withdrawals were smooth as long as you used the right network and double checked the wallet addresses. So, what's the final verdict on Gate.io in 2025? Here's the truth. Gate.io might work for fine, small traders or altcoin exploration. But if you're moving serious money, the risk might outweigh the reward. The platform has some major trust issues, especially when it comes to accountability and support. Proceed with caution or better yet, consider a more reputable exchange for peace of mind. And that's it for today's review. Have you used Gate.io recently? Does it go smoothly or was it a nightmare? Drop your experience in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no BS crypto content. Stay safe out there.